Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a Mexican recipe called mole. This is a very wholesome traditional Mexican dish that won't take long to make. We're making it the easy way. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. You will need any brand of mole paste. The one I found at the store is called La Costeña. There's also another one called Doña Maria, and that one will work as well. The hardest part about this recipe is opening the jar. There's a bit of oil on top of the paste that you will need to add to the skillet to fry your vegetables. Add your vegetables to the skillet. Add more oil if you need to as well. Once the vegetables are soft, they are ready to be blended. This recipe is just for the mole sauce, but I was boiling some chicken so I can use the broth to blend the paste and later serve the sauce on top of the chicken. Add the chicken broth to the blender and all the vegetables along with the paste, and they're ready to be blended. Once you blended the paste with the vegetables, add that blend to the hot skillet and add more broth to the empty blender so that you can get all that flavor out and add it back to the skillet. Now that the sauce is hot, it's time to add the chocolate. Once the chocolate has melted, the sauce is ready. Shred your chicken and add your sauce to it. You can serve it with red rice. This part is optional. You can sprinkle sesame seeds to your mole when you serve it to elevate the taste.
This one's really wobbly. Look how wobbly it is.
Yeah, they're pretty broken.
I have a broken heart. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
That's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.